In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add countdown timer to GoHighLevel funnels. A countdown timer is a simple way to create urgency and boost conversions on your funnel pages. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can get it live quickly and confidently. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account. From the main dashboard, head to the Sites section and then select Funnels. This is where all your funnels live, and where you'll choose the exact funnel page you want to enhance with a timer. Open the funnel you want to edit, then choose the specific page within that funnel and click Edit Page. This launches the page builder so you can make changes visually and see them in real time. Inside the builder, add the countdown element. Click the plus icon to add a new element. Use the search bar to type countdown, and you'll see the countdown option appear. Drag and drop it onto your page. A great placement is near your primary call to action or above the fold so visitors notice it immediately. You can always move it later if you want to test different layouts. Now set how the timer behaves. Click directly on the countdown timer to open its settings. You can choose a fixed end date and time for a specific deadline, or set a duration to count down a certain number of hours or days from when someone lands on the page. Make sure the time zone aligns with your campaign audience to avoid confusion, and double check that the end time is in the future, so the timer actually counts down. With the timer working, customize its look to match your brand. Adjust the font family and size for readability, fine-tune the colors for the numbers and labels, and ensure there's enough contrast so the timer stands out. You can tweak spacing and alignment to fit your design, and consider how it appears on mobile by previewing responsive styles. A clean, bold style typically performs best. When you're happy with the setup and design, save your changes and publish the page. Click Save to store your edits in the builder, then click Publish to push the updated page live. Publishing ensures your visitors will see the countdown immediately. Finally, test the timer. Use the preview option to load the page and watch the numbers change to confirm it's active. Check on mobile and desktop and verify the end time looks correct. If the countdown isn't moving, recheck the date, time, and time zone settings. That's it. Your countdown timer is now live and ready to drive urgency. Thanks for watching.